Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel NapturallyCoily. If you're new, be sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey! And be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. So in today's video, you guys are able to see the results after I pre-pooed. So I did leave it on overnight. I did use a plastic bag to, get the deep conditioning going. And I was very pleased with the results. So let's get on to the actual wash day. In today's video, I will be in the shower, but don't worry, I'll be fully clothed throughout. But it is far easier to use the bars when the hair is fully saturated. So to avoid all of the mess, I went ahead and set up the camera so that you guys can see me as I use the shampoo and conditioner bars. So right now, I started with the shampoo bars. I washed out any pre-poo, and then I am adding the shampoo bar to each section. So all I do is rub the bar all over the hair. I do rub it in the scalp as well to help with the blood circulation, which also helps with hair growth. And I take my fingers and I massage it into my scalp and into the hair. Now I am using the conditioner bar. So as you guys can see, the remainder of my hair has in the shampoo bar because I do it section by section, as it makes it easier for me. And it also helps to expedite my wash day. By the way, pre-pooing does that a whole lot as well. Just by pre-pooing, I knock off at least 30 to 45 minutes that I use to safely detangle my hair. But as we do move along, you saw me wash out the shampoo bar out of this section, and then I proceeded to add the Ahosi conditioner bar like I'm doing right now. And as you guys can see, I'm really getting it into the scalp, getting it into the hair using my fingers, my fingertips, just massaging it in, and then I go ahead and two-strand twist the section just to keep it out of the way and to keep the wash day running smoothly. So the lather in both our conditioner and shampoo bars are different. The conditioner bar has more of a foamy lather, whereas the shampoo bar has more of a soapy lather, but I do promise they leave your hair feeling clean. So I'm moving my fingers through my hair right now, and I'm actually doing the last step of the wash day routine. So I am adding one of Nayu's unreleased after wash day or end of wash day or last step in wash day products, and I'm working it through my hair and really getting it in there before I again return the section to a two-strand twist to get it out of the way. Fun fact, my wash day lasts under 30 minutes just by doing this routine and keeping my hair in sections. The secret behind these amazing bars are the organic ingredients used inside. Some of them include chamomile tea, almond oil, olive oil, the holy grail castor oil. And if you're interested in learning more about the bars, be sure to check out www.nayucosmetics.com. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye, y'all.